Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sharp, stabbing pain in your leg? You try to stretch it, you try to move, but the cramp just won't let go. Sound familiar? You're not alone, dear friend. In fact, over 60% of seniors over age 60 report experiencing nighttime leg cramps at least once a week. And the older we get, the more frequent and more painful they become. But here's the good news. You don't need to suffer through it. There are natural, fast-acting creams. Yes, creams that can bring you near-instant relief. No pills, no prescriptions, just a simple, soothing rub that targets the cramp directly and starts working within minutes. In today's video, we're diving into the best natural creams specifically for senior leg cramps. These aren't your everyday drugstore lotions. These are creams that use time-tested ingredients like magnesium chloride, arnica, menthol, and more, backed by research and recommended by holistic health experts. We'll uncover which natural creams give fast relief, often within minutes, what ingredients actually relax cramping muscles, and which are just hype, how to apply them for the best results, especially at night. And we'll even share one do-it-yourself recipe you can make at home for pennies. So if you're tired of waking up in pain, or if leg cramps are stopping you from enjoying your walks, your sleep, or your peace of mind, stick with us until the end. Because relief is not only possible, it might just be one cream away. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Let's start with what many health professionals call the gold standard for muscle cramp relief. Number 1. Magnesium cream. Magnesium is an essential mineral responsible for over 300 processes in your body, and muscle relaxation is one of its most important roles. Now here's the twist. As we age, our body's magnesium levels naturally decline. This is especially true for seniors on diuretics, diabetes medications, or with absorption issues. That's one reason why cramps become more common after 60. Enter magnesium chloride cream, a topical form of magnesium that absorbs directly through the skin. Unlike pills, it doesn't need to pass through your digestive system, making it ideal for seniors with sensitive stomachs or nutrient absorption issues. Research published in the Journal of Integrative Medicine found that transdermal magnesium therapy improved muscle function and reduced nighttime cramping. Users reported relief in as little as 10 minutes. What to look for? Choose a cream that lists magnesium chloride high on the ingredients list. Bonus points if it's paired with aloe vera or shea butter for added skin hydration. When to apply? Rub it into your calves, thighs, or feet 10 to 15 minutes before bedtime. It absorbs fast, and for many, the relief comes even faster. It's natural, it's effective, and for many seniors, it's a complete game changer. Next on our list is a powerful flower-based remedy from Europe. Number 2. Arnica cream. Arnica montana is a bright yellow flower that grows in the mountainous regions of Europe, and its healing properties have been used for centuries to relieve bruises, swelling, and, you guessed it, muscle cramps. So how does it work? Arnica contains compounds called sesquiterpene lactones that help reduce inflammation, stimulate circulation, and gently soothe nerve and muscle pain. In fact, a 2014 review in the American Journal of Therapeutics found Arnica just as effective as some over-the-counter pain gels, without the harsh chemicals. For seniors who suffer from cramping that also comes with swelling, tenderness, or post-exercise soreness, Arnica cream can be incredibly soothing. What to look for? Look for Arnica montana extract or Arnica flower tincture in the first 5 ingredients. Avoid synthetic fragrances. Go for organic or unscented options. When to apply? Massage gently into cramping areas 2 to 3 times a day or right when a cramp strikes. Arnica also pairs beautifully with magnesium for a two-pronged relief approach. Best of all, it's fast, effective, and safe for everyday use. Just don't apply it to broken skin. Number 3. Menthol and eucalyptus cream. Imagine this, a cooling sensation that penetrates deep into your aching muscle, bringing quick comfort and calm. That's the power of menthol and eucalyptus, the dynamic duo for pain relief. Menthol works by activating cold-sensitive receptors in the skin. It doesn't actually lower your temperature, but it tricks your nerves into feeling cool, and that instantly eases the pain sensation. Eucalyptus adds a touch of anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefit, helping your skin breathe while your muscles relax. A 2016 study in the Journal of Clinical Nursing found that menthol-based creams reduced muscle fatigue and soreness in elderly patients during recovery. And eucalyptus? It's long been used in physical therapy creams for its gentle circulation-boosting effect. What to look for? Go for creams labeled mentholated muscle rub or cooling muscle gel with eucalyptus. Make sure menthol is present at around 2 to 5% for best results. When to apply? Use right when the cramp begins or immediately after physical activity. Avoid using right before bed if you're sensitive to strong scents. While it doesn't treat the root cause, it gives you that fast, tingly comfort when you need it most. Number 4. MSM cream, the silent inflammation fighter. If leg cramps are a symptom of deeper joint pain, inflammation, or nerve discomfort, then MSM cream might be the answer you've been missing. MSM stands for methylsulfonylmethane, an organic sulfur compound that helps reduce inflammation and improve flexibility. Research in the journal Nutrients shows that MSM reduces oxidative stress and improves muscle recovery. It's also been used to ease arthritis-related stiffness and muscle spasms in older adults. What to look for? Search for creams labeled MSM plus aloe or MSM with glucosamine. Aloe helps with absorption, while glucosamine supports joint comfort. When to apply? Morning and night, especially around knees, calves, and ankles if stiffness is an issue. Bonus? It also improves skin texture over time. Who doesn't love that? Now, what if you could whip up your own anti-cramp cream right in your kitchen with natural ingredients and no preservatives? Here's a simple DIY recipe seniors love. DIY Cramp Relief Cream. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup magnesium chloride flakes or Epsom salt as a backup, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 10 drops peppermint essential oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil for calming. Instructions: melt the coconut oil and shea butter together in a small pan. Add magnesium flakes while still warm. Stir well. Add essential oils. Let it cool, then store in a small glass jar. Apply this to your legs every night before bed, and let those natural ingredients go to work. It moisturizes, relieves pain, and even helps you sleep better thanks to the lavender. Affordable, natural, and incredibly effective. Creams can work wonders, but only if used correctly. Always apply to clean, dry skin. Massage thoroughly in circular motions to improve absorption. Don't overuse. 2 to 3 times a day is enough. Store in a cool place, especially if they contain menthol or oils. Try combining creams for layered benefits. Example: magnesium at night, arnica post-walk. And of course, talk to your healthcare provider if your cramps are chronic, sudden, or worsening. Creams help, but they're part of a bigger wellness picture. So there you have it, 5 of the best natural creams for senior leg cramps, each one offering comfort, relief, and peace of mind. Whether you choose magnesium for muscle relaxation, arnica for inflammation, menthol for that cooling touch, MSM for joint support, or a homemade blend made with love, the key is don't suffer in silence. Try one tonight. Keep it by your bedside, and let tomorrow start without pain. Now let's also hear from you. Have you tried any of these creams before? Would you like to try any of them today? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.